Yeah, welcome back to the vlog, X to the XL vlogs. And today we are going to unbox the package that came today with my daughter right here.
Never before felt until now. Who else
Okay.
in the scenery other than myself? Take pen and compose scroll. Lust for season, find every breath thorough. But tumble impact, an absolute masterpiece of gold. Small process challenge, city danger at home. Shot free, not selecting effortless wordplay. A universal life, defining style in mind. Just the way nature intended, dependent upon no one. Authentic essence, category, shared by it. I'm taking you there again. Street yoga is valuable with the traffic been set.
These are the two bad boys that we have removed out from the box. But among these two, this one is the one that we are going to review later on. Yeah. So hang on. Two keychains, balisong. Red and black.
Keeping you in tune, similar to in my cruise, they honor for room. Innovator of the speech, linguistic monsoon. Enter the synagogue, invisible platoon. Refine the mental state, consolidate the good. Eliminate the negative from suburb to hood. Watch MCs burn to ash like mosquito pump. My rhyme reflect my ears like the rings inside a tree trunk. Hard to remove my impression. Stay connected with the source by an unseen. Perfect flex, twist you that you laid out flat. Super insignificant, as the tiniest net. The double I, opposite of that exhale. Size one said it's time to release the projectile.
Okay, this is the package that came today. 24 centimeter gold brass housing, or gold brass liners, the gold brass bolsters, and the horse bone inserts installed on this beautiful piece right here. 24 centimeter with the latch. It comes with a plastic gem design and etchings. Brand new, came all the way from Batangas City, Taal, Batangas, Barangay Balisong. Look at the design, the texture. You can feel the sturdiness of this piece. It was made by the great Panday out there in Taal, Barangay Balisong. Never heard of the name or never knew the name of the Panday or the swordsmith.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
I do so dropping my balisong. That's why I asked the swordsmith to, place a nail to secure the latch and never lose the latch no more. Okay, moving on to the interior part of the blade. This is the house of the blade where it sleeps whenever it is concealed. This is where the blade rests when it is closed. See the details of the gold brass. One thing I love about the gold brass is that it will develop a patina texture over time, and it will never fail to attract the one who holds it, especially when you are a true balisong enthusiast. This one comes with the debuyo type of blade, and I asked them to place groovings along the top side up of the blade to have a unique kind of design. See that? Just to give you an information about the strength in terms of strength of the type of metal, because right here is a leaf spring. They used a leaf spring kind of metal for creating the blade, and leaf springs tend to dent or bend a little bit compared to the bearings, the housing of the bearings, because bearing metal has more strength, more sturdy, and almost doesn't bend at all compared to the leaf spring, as of my experience. When I utilize my balisongs, when I go outdoors for camping, for cutting woods, opening tin cans, canned goods, manually using my balisong. But one thing that is good about the leaf spring blade or metal is that they are really good for cutting. That's one thing that I like about leaf springs. So I asked them, aside from having a leaf spring because it is good for cutting, leaf springs are also a little bit lighter weight wise compared to the bearing metal. Size wise, this is 24 centimeter total length from tip to bottom when it is opened, and the width comes with a 13 millimeter wide width. That's why it looks a little bit narrower for a 24 centimeter compared to the typical width sizing of a 24 centimeter balisong, right? So this one is a little bit narrower compared to the standard width size of a 24 centimeter balisong, because I'm really a fan of a slim type of balisong. I don't know, because aesthetically wise, I like them. It really looks good. It gives a touch of a vintage look, because most of the original vintage antique balisongs are slim, and I heard, and I guess from my point of view, maybe it's because they did it intentionally. Maybe a narrow blade balisong is really not easy to puncture or go through the flesh because it is narrow. I don't know. Because way back the Filipinos are using balisongs for protection or against the foreign invaders, Japanese, Spaniards, or whatnot. So yeah, that's what I heard about the history. 24 centimeter balisong. That's about it. See you on the next vlog, and I will show you one by one of my collections. Some of the collections. Some are antique and some are just purchased just years ago. Just look it up and watch it. and take care. I hope you love Philippine crab. Philippine crabs, because they're really sturdy. Aesthetically wise, they're really good. Okay, peace.